In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into the Microsoft Store. By the end, you'll be comfortably signed in and ready to download apps, games, and updates across your Windows devices. First, launch the Microsoft Store. On Windows, the quickest way is to click the Start button and begin typing Microsoft Store, then select the app from the results. You might also see its shopping bag icon on your taskbar or Start menu. Make sure you're connected to the internet, and if the store asks to update itself, let it finish before continuing. You can browse without signing in, but logging in is what enables purchases, syncing your library, and restoring apps on other devices. Once the store opens, look to the top right corner of the window for the profile silhouette icon. If you're already signed in, you'll see your initials or profile picture there. If not, it will show a generic icon. Click it to open the account menu. From the menu, choose Sign In. If your active Windows account appears in the list, go ahead and click it to move straight to authentication. This is often the fastest path because Windows may already recognize your credentials. If you want to use a different profile, select Microsoft account for personal use or work or school account if your organization manages your sign-in. Then click Continue to proceed. You'll now enter your Microsoft email address and your password. Type them carefully and only on this official sign-in window. If your account uses additional verification, follow the prompts to approve a notification, enter a code sent to your phone or email, or confirm with an authenticator app. Never share these codes with anyone. You may be asked whether you want to stay signed in. Choose yes on a private device for convenience or no on a shared computer to protect your account. If Windows offers to set up a device PIN or use Windows Hello, that's a local sign-in convenience feature and won't change your Microsoft password. When everything is accepted, the profile icon in the top right will update to show your account, confirming you're in. From here, you can open your library to re-download previous purchases, check for updates, and install new apps. If sign-in doesn't work, double-check your internet connection, ensure your computer's date and time are correct, and try closing and reopening the store. That's it. You've successfully signed into the Microsoft Store and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring what the store has to offer.